Hello friends, and today we're going to make another happy little shape, and it's not so tricky like the previous ones, yeah, but it's interesting. So I want to make it. So first thing first, I want to move it a little bit away, and I want to press M, and I want to make the opacity of this thing just a little bit lower. Yeah, so it won't burn out my eyes with this white color. Start with a rectangle. This is okay. Boom. And I'm just going to Alt exit. Boom. Select the two, Shift D, and I have just one perfect rectangle. We just need to make them like this. 2-point arc, center point arc. Yeah, this is our thing. Boom. One and another one. We're just gonna extrude this thing. Yep, I think it's some kind of a 5 millimeters. Pretty much okay for that thing. Select this thing, press M and press front, so I will see it on the front. And I also want to make another one over here. How better to make it? Let's try. The first one is going to be like this. I'm going to Alt exit to the top. Ooh, interesting. Can I Alt X this one to the top too? Yeah, let's make it similar because it wasn't similar. It's not a big deal, but yeah, let's QQ it. It's good. This, yeah, we just need to select this thing and drop it to the bottom. Just Alt exit to this side. Good. Then select 3 of these guys, not extruded. Put it in the center, and yes, I think this is my champion here. It should be just a little bit over here, something over here maybe. Yeah, that will be good, definitely. And we also need to make this one a bit bigger. Yeah, perfect. Why are you unable to complete operation? You can't fight with me. You know, you just can't. You just can't. I have too many powers. I just have too many powers. I will just boolean you out. I will just boolean you out. And that's all. Boom. Here we go. Nice. This is my shape. And also here, C, boom, boom, X. Let's something like this. Definitely. And can I just select it and press GZ? Yeah, can. Of course I can. Good. That's my thing. Maybe I can just select this part and drop it a little bit over here. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. And maybe just rotate it just a little bit. Let's try it. Let's try one whole. Yeah, something like this. Yep. And like this. Let's try it. C, boom, boom, X. First one should be here. Something like this. Then I want to drop them over here. Yep, but this one is not looking cool. Need to be more of this shape. Good. This top one also should be like this. Bam. And this one should be massive, like this. I don't know where would it be better to make the, maybe although I need to make it over here. Yep. Just do the small one like this. Good. Get over here, G, Y, and put it in the center and make it Alt X to this side. Merge it with pressing Q. Wow, that looks super. I also need these things to be beveled a bit. something like this thing. Okay, here is two ways how to make it. The first way is super easy. We just export it in Blender and make it there. We have our asset done. Pretty easy, super fast. The second way is not super fast, is making the curves here. Why I don't like to do it here? Because here it's pain in the ass and you can't adjust them the way you want. Okay, I need it like this. Need to put it over here. Yeah, somewhere over here, I guess. And then I need it to be over here, I guess. Yep. Just need the top part of it. Boom. Move it out of here and over here. I think, yeah, that will be better. Much better here. Okay. And let's try to make another one, but like this, I think. Not so far. Yeah, it should be somewhere over here. Yeah. A little bit like this. And yeah, one more over here. I think right to the center. I'm just gonna put it a little bit higher, I think. No, select the vertices. Shift B. Good, with the G2. Nice. And this one can I join it? Of course I can. And make it like this. And also I need to join these two and all of these guys. Select this one, bevel it like this, Alt X, drop it here without the union. Now I need to select this portion, straight line, I think. Yeah, and I need to put it, oh, a little bit lower here. Let me just drop it here. Let's take all of these things. This one is the latest. Okay, G, V, boom, G, Y, and here we go. Yeah, right in the center. And yeah, here it is. Now I'm going to join it. B and bevel it like, yeah, good. That's nice. If someone know how this thing is working, like how it should open up, because I can't imagine how this construction is opening up, please tell in the comment section. Let me just move this over here, and this one I can move it over here. Press P, make it bigger, bigger, like this. F menu, we're gonna text, here it is, paste the hard word, all small letters, I like it. And let's take my favorite one, Space Mono. Yeah, Space Mono is super cool, pretty cool. Okay, let's put it like that and like that, and over here, and let's drop it like this. Shift I, imprint it here. Let's wait. Yeah, we have it. Delete it, and yep. So like this, Control Shift Plus. Then with the Control, I will deselect these guys. It will be much faster than selecting every fucking piece of that thing. Let's try to deselect it quickly, like this. Yeah, I think nothing else is selected. Good. And now I can just drop it inside. Good. I will see you in the next one. It was a big pleasure to model this thing with you. Have a good day. Bye bye.